Are you f***ing insane?
No, but you're upside down. Now you're not.
You know, it would be easier to count the amount of your ribs that aren't broken.
Work through the pain.
And exactly how are you going to work when your body collapses?
Please, the Prince of All Saiyans does not collapse.
Oh, look at that! The Prince of all 2 Saiyans on the ground.
3.5. Shut up!
Oh no, the Prince is getting all huffy. What are you gonna do? Try to blow up Earth again? Because I have Goku on speed dial.
You must be as stupid as he is if you think he knows how to work a phone.
Don't you call me stupid!
Okay, then how about bitch?
Arrogant dick!
Spoiled sow!
You!
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 My room, 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Keep going. Right there, right there. Yes.
Gallic
Yes,
gun!
yes, yes. Oh, wow.
Yup.
Gotta admit, even with the broken ribs, you really... Wait,
What?
where's your condom?
The fuck's a condom?